Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for paper. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for truck. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yam. Z for zebra. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.